Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In the previous video, we have seen about the sorted function in stream API. Now in this video, we will see how to combine the sorted with another stream operations. So we will combine all the three operations that we have learned called map, filter and sorted. So here I have a list called values. Inside this list, I have some random integer values. Now what I want to do, first I will filter all the even numbers here. So once I filtered all the even numbers from the list, then I will map that particular list by multiplying it with 2, and then I will sort the numbers. So how I can do this? Let me show you here. So first thing is I want to make use of this values list. On this list I will say stream, then I will filter. I will have the filter method here, and inside the filter method I need to provide a predicate which will return a true or false values, and as per the conditions it will filter out the elements. So I will say here n, and then provide here a arrow token, and what I want to do, I want to filter the elements which are even numbers. So I will see n divided by 2 equal to 0. So this will filter out the numbers which are divisible by 2. And what I want to do, I want to convert this stream to a list. So I will make use of dot collect, then inside collect I will say collectors dot to list. And as we have converted a stream to a list, I will store this particular statement inside the list. So I will copy this statement, paste it here, and let's say the name of my list is updated. I'll print this list here, sys out, and I will print here updated. And let's run this code now. So see, we have filtered the even numbers here. So only 5 is odd number in our original list, right? So we are getting all other values here, 20, 78, 90 and 34. Now what I want to do, I want to sort it because this is not a natural ordering, right? We want to sort it. So here after filter, I can make use of sorted method. So I will say here sorted. So now we will get the elements in natural ordering. If I run this code, see 20, 34, 78 and 90. So we are able to sort the list now once we have done the filtering. So first we are doing the filtering of numbers, then we are doing the sorting. Also after sorting also we can make use of a map. So what we can do, we can have here a map. So what map will do, it will transform each element as per the logic. Let's say what we want to do, after sorting we will take each number and we will divide it with 2. So I will take here n, I will say here n, then the arrow token, and what I want to do, I want to divide it with 2. So this n divided by 2, it will result to 0 because all the numbers are our even numbers, and when we are dividing it with 2, it will give us the 0 result. So instead of dividing by 2, what I will do, I will increment the value with 1. So let's say n plus 1. So let's save and run this code. We are getting the output here. So instead of 20, we are getting 21. Instead of 34, we are getting a 35. 78, we are getting 79. So basically, I want to show you this only, that we can use all these operations in a single stream operations, right? First, we have done the filtering, then we have sorted it, then we are making use of map. So as per your logic, you can make use of all these methods. Now let's take another example, which will be of a string type. Now here we have a list of string data type, and these are the names that we have: Bob, Alice, David and Charlie. And now what we want to do, first what we will do, we will convert all the names into uppercase. So in that case we need to make use of a map, right? So we will say names dot stream dot map, and what this map will do, here you could say s, then the lambda expression, then s dot to uppercase. We will convert all the names to a uppercase, and then we will collect that to a list. So I will say a dot collect, then collectors dot to list. Let's store that in a list. So I will copy this statement, paste it here, and let's say the instead of names now we will say updated, print it out. Let's run this code. So see, all our names are converted to uppercase now with this map function. And after that, we can make use of sorted. So I will sort it. Now, if I sorted this particular values, now we will get it in a natural ordering. So here you could see first we are getting Alice, then Bob, Charlie, and David. So we have made use of two methods here, map and sorted. We can also make use of filter after sorting. So what we can do, we can filter here. So I will say here filter, and inside the filter we need to provide a predicate. Let me have this in different line. And here in filter, what we can do, we can check whether the characters are greater than 3 here. So here you could take s and provide a lambda expression, and then we can say s dot length is greater than 3. So what it will do now? First it will map. So it will convert all the names to uppercase. Then it will do the sorting, and after sorting, it will filter the elements. On which criteria it will filter? It will check whether the name length is greater than 3 or not. If it is not greater than 3, it will not print it. So only Bob is having the length equal to 3. All others are greater than 3. So it will now print all the names except Bob. Let me run this code. See, Alice, Charlie, and David. So in this case, we have first used map, then sorted, and then filter. Here, instead of lambda expression, we can also make use of method reference. So instead of this taking each name and then converting it to uppercase, what I can do, I can directly say here the class name, which is a string here, and then the method reference to method called to uppercase. Here to uppercase. If I save this code and run now, we will get the same output because we have replaced our lambda expression to method references. So the main motto of this video was to combine all the operations that we have learned, map, then sorted, and then filter.